Hey guys! If you're on Windows 11 but you missed the clean, customizable look and feel of the Windows 10 Start menu, this video is for you. We're checking out Live Tiles Anywhere, a free app that lets you place stylish, tile-shaped shortcuts right on your desktop. To get started, just head over to the Microsoft Store and download it. After the quick install, open the app. You can immediately start picking shortcuts and placing them anywhere on your desktop. It's important to know these aren't live with updating info, they are powerful, stylish shortcuts. The reason so many people loved the tile interface in Windows 10 was the clean, organized look and the ability to resize and group apps visually. This app brings that organizational style directly to your desktop, letting you create your own custom layout. Functionally, the tiles are super simple. They are one-click shortcuts that give you quick access to your apps. Think of them as a much cooler, more customizable version of your standard desktop icons. Instead of a mess of different icons, you can get a clean, uniform grid of tiles that you can arrange into groups for productivity or gaming, making everything look tidy and easy to find. Now for the fun part, customization. To open the settings, find the app's icon in your system tray, down in the bottom right corner. The first thing you can tweak is the corner radius. This is a cool cosmetic setting that lets you pick between the sharp, classic Windows 10 look or a smoother, rounded style that perfectly matches the modern feel of Windows 11. Diving deeper into the settings, you can also set a custom theme color to match your wallpaper. You can hide the Uninstall App option for a cleaner menu, and you should definitely enable automatic startup with Windows so your tile layout is always there when you boot up. Finally, you can have the app automatically follow your system's light or dark mode, so it always fits in perfectly. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the Easy Digital Life channel for more great tech tips. Thanks for watching.